Whether you're a seasoned backpacker who practically lives in the wilderness or a weekend warrior yearning for a nature escape, finding the right shelter is crucial. A good tent can be the difference between a cozy, comfortable adventure and a sleepless, frustrating one. So, let's explore some awesome tents that will transform your next camping trip from ordinary to extraordinary. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Imagine a camping tent that feels more like a luxurious cabin than a cramped shelter. The Nemo Aurora High-Rise takes family camping to a whole new level, offering a unique blend of spacious comfort, functional design, and playful touches. The Aurora High-Rise boasts a generous standing height thanks to its innovative steep sidewalls. This allows everyone in the family to move around comfortably, making it feel less like a tent and more like a cozy home away from home. Two large doors and vestibules with gatekeeper door clips ensure easy entry and provide ample room to store your gear, keeping the main tent clean and organized. It is constructed with durable fabrics and high-quality aluminum poles, ensuring it can withstand years of family adventures. But functionality doesn't mean sacrificing fun. The tent features a unique and playful printed floor that adds a touch of personality and keeps spirits high, especially for younger campers. Large side windows with mesh and integrated rain covers offer stunning views while maintaining excellent ventilation. This allows you to stay cool on warm nights and enjoy the sights and sounds of the outdoors without worrying about pesky insects. Pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable adventure with the Eureka Space Camp, a full-size tent designed to be your launch pad for out-of-this-world comfort on your next camping trip. The Space Camp lives up to its name with a generous height and a large footprint, offering ample space for parents, kids, and even the family dog to spread out comfortably. Don't let bad weather dampen your camping spirit. The Space Camp boasts a rugged 7000 series aluminum frame that can shrug off strong winds and storms. Additionally, the tent features a waterproof fly and a durable floor, keeping you dry and protected from the elements. Maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your tent is a breeze with the Eureka Air Exchange system. This innovative system features high-low venting options that allow you to adjust airflow based on the weather. With 10 additional storage pockets strategically placed throughout the interior, keeping your belongings organized is a breeze. The Gazelle T4 Hub stands out for its incredibly fast setup time. This pop-up tent can be pitched in under 90 seconds, making it perfect for those who want to maximize their time enjoying nature. It offers a spacious interior, durable construction, and excellent ventilation. The T4 Hub offers a surprising amount of living space. It boasts a generous 61 square feet of floor space and stands a comfortable 78 inches tall, allowing 4 people to sleep comfortably with ample room for extra gear. The tent utilizes a 210 denier Oxford weave polyester shell, offering waterproof protection with a 2000 millimeter hydrostatic head rating. This means you can rest easy knowing you'll be dry even in moderate rain. Additionally, the UV 50+ rating provides protection from the sun's harmful rays, keeping you comfortable during the day. The T4 Hub is packed with features to enhance your camping experience. It includes a removable floor for easy cleaning, a rainfly for added protection, a gear loft for storing essential items, and 6 gear pockets throughout the interior, keeping your belongings organized and within reach. The Coleman Skydome camping tent offers a great blend of affordability and performance. It features nearly vertical walls, providing 20% more headroom than traditional dome tents. The Skydome boasts a revolutionary pre-attached pole system. Forget fumbling with loose poles and confusing instructions. Simply unfold the tent, extend the poles, and secure the clips. You'll be lounging in your new home away from home in under 5 minutes. The Skydome isn't just about convenience. It's also built to handle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Featuring Coleman's WeatherTech system, the tent boasts a tub-like floor to keep water out, patented welded corners for enhanced strength, and inverted seams that prevent leaks. Additionally, the strong frame can withstand winds up to 35 miles per hour, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep even in less than ideal weather conditions. The MSR Habescape takes the crown with its outstanding design and performance. It offers a spacious interior, advanced ventilation, and superior weather resistance. The tent's unique geometry and high-quality materials ensure it can withstand harsh conditions while keeping you comfortable inside. It's a sturdy and reliable shelter built to withstand the wear and tear of family camping trips, from backyard adventures to challenging canoe expeditions. This expansive tent comfortably sleeps 6 people with ample standing height, ensuring everyone has enough space to move around comfortably, play games, or simply relax. The tent is packed with features that enhance your family's comfort and enjoyment. Individual storage pockets for each occupant keep belongings organized, while extra hang loops provide additional storage options. The Habiscape is constructed with rugged fabrics that can handle anything your family throws at it. Super sturdy pole geometry ensures the tent remains stable even in challenging conditions. And for ultimate weather protection, the Habiscape boasts a waterproof rainfly, featuring both a DWR treatment that makes rain bead up and roll off, and a PU coating that provides an extra layer of defense against persistent rain or even light snow. There you have it, the top 5 best camping tents to suit every adventure and budget. Whether you're planning a family outing, a solo adventure, or a trip with friends, these tents offer something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more outdoor gear reviews and adventure tips.